By 2026, millions of jobs we take for granted today may no longer exist. Not because of outsourcing, but because of AI. From offices to factories, even creative roles, artificial intelligence is moving in faster than most people realize. The truth is, some careers are already disappearing quietly. If you think your job is safe just because it requires skills or experience, think again. AI is learning faster, working cheaper, and operating 24/7 without breaks. But here's the real shocker. Some of the careers most people believe are too advanced for AI are actually on the chopping block, and one of them might surprise you the most. Stick around because we reveal the most at-risk careers at the very end. But here's the twist. While AI is eating away at certain careers, it's also opening doors to brand new opportunities for those who know how to pivot. The winners of this shift won't be the ones who resist change, but those who learn how to adapt and ride the AI wave instead of being crushed by it. In this video, we'll break down the careers most at risk being eaten by AI by 2026. Customer service representatives. Customer service is one of the first areas being taken over by AI chatbots and virtual assistants. Tools powered by natural language processing can now handle thousands of customer inquiries at once. By 2026, expect call centers and live chat roles to shrink dramatically. Already, companies like Amazon and major banks rely heavily on AI-driven chat systems to resolve issues that once required human interactions. For businesses, it saves millions. For workers, it means fewer entry-level positions. We're also seeing this shift directly in retail giants like Walmart and Sam's Club, where customer service is being increasingly automated. Their mobile apps now allow shoppers to scan items with their phones as they shop, pay directly through the app, and skip the checkout line entirely. This means fewer customer service staff and cashiers are needed on the floor because the process of checking out, traditionally handled by a human, is now managed almost entirely by AI-powered systems. The importance of this shift can't be overstated. For businesses, it reduces wait times, improves efficiency, and lower labor costs. For customer, it means faster, more seamless shopping with minimal friction. Instead of standing in line or asking for help with checkout, everything is handled instantly from the palm of your hand. And here's a curveball. The last career on our list isn't just vulnerable. It could vanish faster than all the rest. You won't believe which one it is. Data entry clerks. Data entry is one of the most repetitive jobs out there, and repetition is exactly where AI thrives. Modern AI systems can extract, organize, and categorize information at superhuman speeds. Optical character recognition (OCR), combined with machine learning, is replacing clerks across finance, healthcare, and logistics. Manual data entry roles will be almost fully automated. For businesses, this eliminates errors and saves times. For workers, this means those who once managed spreadsheets will need to upskill into data analysis or quality assurance instead of typing numbers into cells. The future is about interpreting insights from the data AI organizes. Retail cashiers. Self-checkout machines were just the beginning. Now AI-driven systems with computer vision and RFID technology are creating fully automated stores. Amazon Go, for example, allows shoppers to walk in, grab products, and leave the AI handler billing automatically. Cashier roles will be nearly extinct in major chains, replaced by AI-powered checkout systems, while some retail jobs will shift towards stocking, inventory management, or customer engagement. The traditional cashier job is disappearing. Basic content writers. AI tools like GPT-5 are now capable of producing products, descriptions, blog posts, and social media content with impressive accuracy and speed. For businesses focused on saving money and boosting efficiency, replacing human writers, what once required hiring a freelancer or junior writer can now be completed in seconds by AI. This shift will make low-skill writing roles such as SEO filler articles, generic listings, or basic blog posts largely obsolete. But this doesn't mean writing as a whole is disappearing. Writers who can deliver storytelling, cultural nuisance, persuasive copy, or in-depth research will remain valuable because those qualities goes beyond what AI can reliably replicate. The best way forward for writers is to embrace collaboration with AI rather than resist it. Using GPT-5 for drafting, research, or brainstorming can save hours of work, freeing writers to focus on creativity and originality. Instead of competing with AI in low-value tasks, successful writers will position themselves as experts who add a unique human voice, turning what could be a threat into a powerful advantage. Translators and interpreters. AI-powered translation tools like DeepL and Google Translate are improving so quickly that human translators are no longer needed for most basic tasks. Real-time translation is even being integrated into Zoom, Microsoft Teams, and global customer service platforms. Basic translation jobs will be rare. However, translation that requires cultural nuisance, creativity, or specialized expertise like legal or medical translation will still need humans. If you're in this field, focus on specialization and quality assurance rather than everyday translations AI can do for free. Financial analyst. AI is revolutionizing the finance industry. Algorithms now analyze markets, assess risk, and make predictions faster and more accurately than junior analysts. Tools like Bloomberg GPT are already assisting the finance reporting and investment recommendations. Many entry-level financial analyst roles will shrink. The lesson here: don't just crunch numbers, learn to explain, interpret, and strategize with them. Graphic designers for the basic work. Platforms like Canva, Dolly, and Midjourney make it possible to create professional designs in minutes. Businesses that once paid hundreds for simple graphics now generate them for free with AI tools. By 2026, low-level graphic designs, gigs like creating social media posts or basic logos will largely be handled by AI, but complex designs will still rely on humans. Administrative assistants. Scheduling book travel, managing emails are the daily task of administrative assistant. Unfortunately, these are also the exact things AI excels at. Tools like Microsoft Copilot, AI-powered virtual assistant can handle admin work 24/7 without breaks. By 2026, many traditional administrative assistant roles will be reduced, but those who adapt to managing AI tools, coordinating teams, and handling sensitive tasks will still be needed. This career is shifting from doing tasks to managing systems. What you can do to stay ahead. The common thread across all these careers is this: AI is taking over repetitive, predictable tasks. That means if your job is based on repetition, it's at risk. But if your work involves creativity, strategy, empathy, or leadership, AI will enhance your role, not replace it. Here are some steps to future-proof your career. Learn to use AI tools in your industry instead of ignoring them. Specialize in areas where AI struggles like emotional intelligence, critical thinking, and nuisance decision making. Focus on creativity and strategy rather than routine execution. Keep learning. New roles are emerging as fast as old ones disappear. Future is hybrid. AI won't just eat jobs, it will reshape them. Careers won't disappear entirely, they will evolve. Customer service pros will become AI supervisors. Writers will become editors of AI-generated draft. Designers will become creative directors who use AI to speed up productions. Those who adapt will thrive in the hybrid future of human plus AI work. AI isn't coming for jobs someday, it's happening right now. By 2026, careers in customer service, retail, data entry, basic writing, translation, and more will look completely different. The people who survive this disruption will be those who see AI not as a competition but as a partner. But here's the million-dollar question. If AI is taking jobs, can it also help you make money? The answer is yes, and in our next video, we'll show you exactly how GPT-5 can help you turn AI into side hustle or even make your main income source. So let me ask you this, do you think your job is safe from AI, or are you already seeing signs of change around you? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. I would love to hear your perspective. And before you go, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe because our next video will blow your mind. You won't want to miss what's coming next.